Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to change your Google Chrome language back to English. So if, for example, for any reason you've accidentally changed your language, stay tuned to find out how to do this. If you find this video helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to click that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So to do this, what I'm going to do is open up a Google Chrome browser, and you'll see what's going to happen is if I actually come to the three dots up in the top right hand corner and give that a click, I've actually got this set to German at the moment, so you can see everything's in German. But obviously it's a bit tricky to change back to English if you don't speak German. So basically what you need to do to change the language back to English, and this works for whatever language Google Chrome is set to, is you want to go ahead first and click these three dots up in the top right hand corner. And what you need to do is actually click the settings option, which is actually the third option from the bottom. So we've got one, Hilfe, which is help, and then Einstellungen, this one here, which is settings. If you go ahead and give that a click, that's going to take you across to the settings page. So from here, what we're going to do is actually scroll down all the way to the bottom. You don't need to click anything on the left, just the page it takes you to. You want to scroll all the way to the bottom. And at the very bottom, there will be a word here with a little drop down arrow, which actually stands for advanced. So if you go ahead and give that a click, and it's actually going to be this first section here, Sprachen, which actually means languages. And what we're going to do is actually click the first option at the top here. So what you want to do is give that a click, and you'll see it's going to come down and it's going to list a few languages. So obviously from here we can identify which one is English, because in Deutsch it's spelled very similar. And what we need to do is actually locate English and then click the three dots up here, which is to the right of English. Then what we need to do is actually tick the first box at the top. So you can see that's now been ticked and it's moved it to the top of the list. And then what we're going to do is click this box here, which is going to basically relaunch Google Chrome. And you'll see what's going to happen when this relaunches now. It's gone back to English. If I click back onto the buttons at the top, you can see everything's gone back to English now. So that's how you do it, and I hope you did find that helpful. If that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, if you click the link in the video description down below, you'll actually be able to go ahead and buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.